Monday. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Let me clear my throat. First words I'm saying all morning. Morning. So we're in this trade here. Been getting a lot of emails from you guys saying, hey, I want to see more NQ. Trade NQ. I want to see more NQ. I don't trade a lot of NQ because NQ is, it's wild. I mean, it moves fast. I'm not a fast thinker. I like to take time and think about my trades and do I want to get in? Do I want to get out? I need it to move slow, but because we're pre-market here, NQ's moving pretty darn slow. And we took a nice NQ trade, I think Friday. So, but here I am, I'm on micros and I was just scaling in. I actually was scaling one at a time into these micros because it's early in the morning, it's NQ. NQ is the wild horse. But here we are. You guys wanted to see some examples of NQ trades using the Maverick indicators. Here we are. All right. So I actually got in a little early. I got in on the break of the Maverick guide here, this blue line. We love to go long when price is above it, and we like to go short when price is below it. And once I got these gray reversal candles, I jumped in on some contracts here, and then I continuously added to my position. But I'm only in micros. I would never get into 15 minis on NQ. A $50,000 funded account wouldn't let you do that many contracts anyway. But so why are we in this trade? Let me walk you through it. First things first, we got a green background. The bulls are in control. Green background, bulls are in control. Second thing, and you see we got some retracement here, but that's okay. I got a green candle here, which is telling me that we have tremendous upside data. Okay, so green is your second strongest upside data candle. Bright green is your strongest upside data candle. The Maverick AI Pro is coloring your candles to the data, not to price and direction. So right now you're probably using red and green candles, okay, and they just show price and direction. You know, did it close up or down, but compared to the previous candle, and then it's going to tell you price. So price and direction. What the Maverick AI Pro is doing is it's coloring your candles to the data underneath the hood. And right now we got green data, which is upside data. All right. Got a beautiful confidence arrow right here. Love seeing that. Let's see here. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 timeframes. Imagine being in the room with 5 other traders and they're all voting every single tick if they're bearish or if they're bullish. So instead of having 6 charts on your screen, why not just have the Maverick Multi-X in a nice, neat little package in the upper right-hand corner of your screen that with 5 traders who all have a completely different style, all voting every single tick. Are they bullish or are they bearish? And right now, they're all bullish. They're all to the upside. Trader 1 through Trader 5, from the 1-minute chart all the way to the 15-minute chart. And you can set these time frames for whatever you want. I just have them for shorter time frames because this is like pre-market and this is just what I'm comfortable with. But they're all voting bullish. Okay, so even when we're retracing back down, man, 5 traders are all voting bullish across 6 time frames. Are you kidding me? All right, Maverick trenders pegged to the top. When this line is at the top here, and we call these flat tops right here, that is showing massive strength and momentum. Green to the upside, red to the downside. You get this uptrend or downtrend label here. But the big thing I want you to look at, and we put out a video this weekend, is the ultimate trading assistant. And sorry if everything's a little bit smaller than usual. We're doing a little traveling here, and I have a second monitor connected to my laptop, which I'm recording this. And but the ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick radar, right down here. This thing's beautiful. This is going through our entire checklist. And by the way, you can make this as big as you want. You can put it anywhere on your charts. What it's doing is it's going through our entire checklist, that everything we're looking for from our Maverick indicators to decide, do we not have a setup? Do we have a setup? If we do, is it a B setup or is it an A+ setup? And right now we got a B setup to the upside, which tells me that a setup is shaping up. Okay, it's starting to come together. Oh, look at this. Boom. just as I'm saying this, A plus setup. There we go. Look at this, bright green candles. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. Bright green is your strongest upside data candle. Guys, we're at micros right now. We're up $800 on this example here. A plus setup. Look at this, A plus setup to the upside. Okay, A plus setup to the upside right here. Sorry, I'm looking at the P&L. This is going to start moving quick. Okay. Anyway, so the Maverick radar, let it be your eyes. You know, how many times have you gotten into a trade and you get out of the trade and you get stopped out or whatever, you lose the trade. You get stopped out and then you go back and you go, what the heck was I thinking? Well, let the Maverick radar be your eyes. Let it confirm, do you even have a setup? And if you do have a setup, is it a B setup or is it an A plus setup? And right now we got an A plus setup to the upside. We have bright green candles. Bright green is your strongest upside data candle. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. What a way to start a Monday, a trade like this on micros. Now, yes, I am in 15 micros. So this is like 1.5 minis of NQ. Okay. But I know I get the question sometimes, why don't you just enter, 1 mini or 2 minis? I like to scale out a lot, because you don't know when you're going to catch like an all-day move. So, and I've posted videos like that where we get in, we scale out, and then I leave like one runner, like a micro, and it just dumps all day or it goes up all day. And I think there was like one video we did like 4 G's from 1 micro or 2 micros or something. We just put them at break even plus a tick to pay for commissions, and we just let it go to like 3 in the afternoon or something. It just kept melting or going up. I can't remember. It's been a while. But I like to scale in and scale out. I don't like all or nothing. Kind of drives me nuts to get into like 1 mini and only have like 1 card to play. Sometimes you want to take half profit off and let the rest keep going or vice versa. So anyway, so I'm going to leave this sucker up. I'm going to keep watching it for obvious reasons. It's going to move slow. I mean, this is pre-market. This is NQ, MNQ, but same thing. And it's not going to move super. I mean, maybe it does. Maybe it just pops up and hits my take profit here, but I seriously doubt that. I don't think we have any news right around now. So, although I did not check, that's kind of silly of me, but I have. It's all good. Anyway, listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, okay, if you want something like the ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick radar down here, serving up B setups, serving up A plus setups, letting you know when you don't have a setup, that in itself has saved, my butt a few times. Thinking I'm seeing certain things, and you get all hopeful, you get excited, and you're ready to jump in. You're like, yeah, and you get blinded sometimes. Let the Maverick radar, double check that. See, we're getting a little retracement here. So you lost your A plus setup. See how it's weaning right now? Okay. Now, could you get out right now? Yeah, you could totally get out right now. When you lose that A plus setup, you could go, okay, that's it, I'm out. But remember, it does calculate per tick. Every single tick in movement, this Maverick radar is calculating. So it can flash on and off like that because it's making a decision with every single tick of movement, right? So anyway, so we don't want to be rash and just jump out because it just flashed off for 1 tick or 2 ticks. Okay. So let me move my stop losses up here to break even. Just get them all up here. I'm always paranoid when I move my stop losses up because I've totally clicked the wrong button and gotten myself out of a trade. And I could be confusing that with when I trade on TradingView, but something about around the P&L, I've like clicked the wrong thing and just closed out the trade. All right, so we're going to keep watching this trade. If you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, again, not financial advice, never financial advice, and never a guarantee. There's no guarantees in this market. By God, oh my gosh, watch the news this past week. Holy smokes. But we would love, love, love to help you crush it this year. The Maverick Radar alone is such a game changer, having the ultimate trading assistant down here, checking your eyes and pointing out the A+ setups. It's just awesome. So I'm going to keep managing this trade. I know you guys wanted to see some trades with NQ. I'm doing MNQ, same difference, just trading micros. So I'm going to keep watching this thing. I'll probably close it out soon here because it is pre-market, and you know, when that bell rings, you know, you got to give it the market a little bit to get settled in. So I'm going to keep an eye on this, and let the indicators tell me when to get out. But I'm also not going to get too crazy and just try and get milk everything from it. You know what I mean? So, oh, wow. All right, cool. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. Bright green is your strongest upside data candle. We got an A+ setup. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. Come check us out. Not financial advice. Do your own research. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.